Saturday trucking adventure today. Gotta go snap onto the low boy and go haul a track hoe. So a little different content. No popper bottom. So we're gonna let this old girl warm up and go snap on the trailer. Get on down the road. Little shop Ricky. What's you doing?
Trying to fix this dog.
Fun. Eat some food and go grab our trailer. All right. Here. Pony motor fired up and get snapped onto this thing. She wants to. Nope. All right. that bad boy up. I don't want no dang flies getting in here. Alright. Finish getting this thing hooked up. Get out of here. Deal. Whoo! I freaking jumped off this. My bad knee. That would have been not good. Oh. Alright. I'll just put you guys down here. Breezy today. I don't think I'm gonna have you guys on the mirror when I hit the highway, but I also got to run back into the shop because I forgot my oversized banners. I don't know how big this track hoe is, so I would rather have them than not have them. So I'm gonna go grab those. And we'll see y'all down the road. Holy Nikes, it is a little breezier than I thought out today. I'm really glad I have you guys on the mirror. I don't think you would have made it out of town. It is gusty. Headed down to get this track hoe now. About a 2-hour drive or so. Moseying on down that way. Get it loaded up. And I'm sure everybody on YouTube will tell me how wrong I did it, but I don't care. There's always going to be somebody. Nitpick it if you want. Yeah, get down there, try to film it a little bit. I was trying to film when I was hooking the trailer up, and apparently I had my camera on photo mode, so I hit record and it took a picture, and I didn't notice it until like 5-10 minutes later. So that was cool. Down south a little bit. I shall see you when we get there. Looking like I might be getting a little wet loading this thing. But that'll be fun. Nice wet, muddy yard to load a track hoe in. Gotta keep it exciting, right? But I tell you, it is, holy smokes, windy. I'm glad I don't have a giant sailboat behind me. The little low boy cuts through the wind pretty nice. But it is definitely looks like it might get a little spicy out. Gonna keep chugging away down there about another hour, and we'll be there, and we'll start loading the old track hoe. Well, just crawling down this gravel road, just about there. We'll get wheeled into this yard, unhook the neck of the trailer, the old track hoe loaded up, chained down, and we'll be headed back to town. Trying not to get the dang truck all dirty. I just washed it. Hit that rain. Luckily it was quick. It stayed pretty dry. Just a quick rain shower. Wasn't too bad. Wind died down. Gonna still turn out to be a decent day. Stupid. Screw the hood. Falling off. But yeah. Holding this yard here and get loaded up. right. Oh, track hoe is loaded. Didn't need the banners, but it's all working. But better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So I'll chain down. We'll get it to its new home. Woo! Holy smokes. It got a little warm. Should have taken the hoodie off before I started tying that down. That is a little muggy out today, but either way, the little hoe is on the trailer. Yard, mosey back up north. I don't think I messed up the video clip loading it. It was not set to a picture. I checked it. I watched like 3 seconds of it, which was enough to make sure my dumb self didn't take a picture or have it in a time lapse, which I'm probably still gonna do when I edit it, because that was a really long clip and I don't think you guys want to sit there and watch 30 minutes of unhooking a neck and loading, so I'll probably edit that so it's a little quicker. And I look like I'm walking faster than I actually can. So there's that. Forgot to put this in there. We're going to Polo. Search. Not the store, you idiot. Oh my goodness. That one. The town. Start. Oh, and then I want this one. Reset trip B. There we go. Be there by 2:30. It is so stinking hot. Yeah. It warmed up a lot more than I thought. I layered. It was like 40, 45 when I woke up. It is not anymore. It's kind of gross outside. But at least I got a long sleeve, because it is definitely skeeter weather. A little muggy out. Good old gravel roads. My way out of here. But got to bring you guys something new. All the other times I've been pulling this around, I never filmed. Or like during the spring, I was think I had a bunch of shorts that I posted, but I never made an actual video. I was pulling a fertilizer tanker around during the spring. That should kick off again in the spring, so I'll try to film more doing that. Pretty entertaining stuff. Not really easy. Fill the trailer and then pump the trailer off. But go to a lot of cool farms and all the fertilizer sheds and stuff around and fill their tanks, and good times. We'll see if we get to snap onto that again this spring. But other than that, I'm just trying to keep making videos for you guys like I always said I would, but we're doing good now. I've got, I think, 3 more scheduled to upload. Well, they'll actually be out by the time this one gets uploaded, so you won't even see that. Or hopefully you would have already seen those, and if you haven't, then you go back and you watch my other videos. And yeah, because I think all of October's done. So I got videos every Thursday coming out for you guys. I'm gonna try to do, I know a lot of you just keep commenting you want more of the just driving, the ASMR ones. So once I actually get out, start going more places again, when my knee's better, I'll start doing those, because there's not much entertaining ones I can make when all of our roads are straight out here and I put it in the big hole and set the cruise, and then that's all you guys see. Once I start going out west again, out to Utah, maybe get back out to Oregon and Washington. I was doing some stuff out there. I'll do a little more filming finally. If I do those will be Sunday videos. So I got 4 cars in the middle of nowhere on a county. There's a busy intersection today. Holy smokes! All right, let's get out of here. But yeah, I'll do those ones kind of like a Sunday video when I get back to doing those. They won't be weekly because I don't go a lot of different places, so I only have a camera on in silence for so long before I go crazy. So I'll definitely start making more of those again, and just keep up the weekly videos for you guys, you know, whatever we're doing. Get some of the other guys involved a little bit here. Holy shnikes, throwing rocks at myself. Lips are all chapped up. But get them involved a little more, you know, do some shop stuff. I'm gonna be filming through harvest, so we'll get a couple of those. Maybe throw Noah or Hunter or old J-Dogs the camera while they're combining, and get some footage there. I want to get a drone. If I could find a nice drone and then learn how to fly a drone, I think that'd be pretty cool. But I'm just gonna keep trying to bring you guys content and hopefully each one gets better and better from here on out. Some of the ones I've got coming out, I think they're pretty good. So I don't know. You tell me. Let me know if they're getting better. If they're not, what you want to see. Trying to shake it up a little bit. Some shop work. Some low boy work. I was at least smart enough to bring my camera this time, so that was good. But doing my best. And other than that, we'll just flip the camera around. Get some more footage back to town and get this thing unloaded. So. Track hole is unloaded. That's hooked up. Just those ones. Fill that back up. So, yeah, all unloaded. It's already over. So, get the old trailer put back together here. Rocks off. Down the hole you go. Down the hole you go. Right. Everything put back all nice and organized. Oh, I like when the chains are organized. Drives me up a wall. Just a dang ball of chains. Always get tangled in with each other, and you try to grab one and 4 of them come with you. But I'm just gonna grab my broom. There's quite a bit of gravel on this thing. Yeah, another one. Another one done. So get some of this off. Don't want to be don't want to be launching gravel into people's windows. They get upset when they do that for some reason. I don't know why. But as I can. Whew. A little more there. Oh, that board broke. And almost there. Boom. More better. More better. So. This dang thing shoved in here. Get out of here. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. Forgot to pick my axle up. Boom. Hopefully make it easier getting out of this approach. A bit snug coming in. Oh. Hey. Golly. But get flipped around, get out of here. Go drop this off at the truck parked, and I think I'm gonna hang out for the weekend. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.